Hello, TechnoPoint family. I hope everyone is well. As always, we continue to recommend and review the best on this channel. Do not forget to subscribe and like. Today, I'm excited to introduce Motorola's Flexible Phone to you. Motorola's new concept phone takes the idea of a flexible screen to a whole new level by allowing it to wrap around your wrist like a smartwatch and even stand on its own. Branded by Motorola, which is owned by Lenovo, this device is called the Adaptive Screen, showcasing the potential of flexible screens for future smartphones. As you can see in the videos, the device can bend and adapt to different shapes as needed, with its most notable feature being its ability to wrap around your wrist like a smartwatch. When laid flat, its 6.9-inch POLED display with full HD Plus quality offers a standard phone experience with complete Android functionality. The device can be adjusted to various stand modes, such as when the bottom folds back to serve as a stand, providing a more compact form of full Android on a 4.6-inch screen. Motorola envisions people using the device in an upright position for activities like video calls. The device features curved units on the back that can be folded and locked into place for added convenience. While this isn't the first attempt at creating a bendable or flexible concept phone, it represents a significant step forward. In fact, the idea of flexible displays dates back to the 1960s, with the first flexible solar cell arrays appearing around that time. However, this concept also raises questions about battery life. The company addressed this with its new concept. The adaptive display concept can transition from a standard Android phone experience in a flat position to being worn on the wrist to being positioned in various stand modes, the description stated. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to follow all technology-related products and short useful information. We love you.